Role Play 2 Discussion about College Life.
Arman studies in a college. Habib is a friend of his father. One day, Habib comes to Arman's home. Arman comes to greet Habib, and after greeting, they talk with each other about college life as follows.
In which college do you study?
I study in Sanibel.
How far is Sanibel from your home?
It is 7 kilometers away from my home.
Do you live in the hostel?
No, I do not live in the hostel.
At what time do you go to college?
I go to the college at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to college? I mean by cab or by scooty?
I go to the college by cab.
Do you not go to college by scooty?
No, I do not go to college by scooty.
Why do you go to the college by cab?
I go to the college by cab because it is far away from my home.
Do you go alone or with your brothers and sisters?
With my brothers and sisters.